Next time you make iced tea, read the fine print. Look familiar? Look closer. For perfect tea, serve steaming hot. If you're making iced tea with regular Lipton, that's not so hot. Now look at Louisiane. All Louisiane tea is specially blended for iced tea. That's why Louisiane's so delicious, so refreshing.
Louisiane, especially We interrupt your programming to bring you this important message. There has been a Level 5 government-issued alert to keep your doors and windows locked and to not go outside for any reason. An entity known as the Caroler has escaped from a maximum security holding cell and is on the loose. If this creature finds you, it will hold you captive until you make it some figgy pudding. This following presentation will show you the correct way to handle the caroler on the event of an encounter.